Mr. Tough Guy. Come on, Dooley Brady. Pass the ball. Oh, jukes him. Deep. Stiff arm. Oh, little girl. Oh. You done with that? Oh. Oh. You take my ball. What, bud? Is that for me? What, I can't touch it? I can't touch it? Well, thank you. Get it, little. Get it, widows. You mad at me, Dooley? I give it to her. Yeah, she playing with it. Yeah, get it, widows. Oh, get it. Don't be mad, Dooley. Share. You be nice and share. Oh, there she goes. Can't see her. Don't be grumpy, buddy. Oh, don't be like that. Let her play with it too, or steal it back. She's tempted. Say, come get it from me, big guy. Oh.
What's that?
Where'd it go? There it is. I got it. I got it back again. Oh, now you got it.
What do you want?
Hey, mind if I ask if you know?
Remember I was asking for help with the truck the other day?
Yeah, I can take a look at it.
Oh, funny that.
You mind,
What?
well, the tire's locking up on the front of it. The rubber's actually making contact with the upper control wire.
What are you doing with it? Dragging it over here?
No, we're just trying to back it up because my buddy's supposed to be fine. He wants the cab and the frame and everything for his truck. Problem is now we got it forward, but that tire is locking up, so we're gonna see since you had this out, if maybe you can use this to help us push it back.
Where are you pushing it to?
Just to the side of the house. Just that he can just pick it up at the trailer and he's not going on your driveway or anything.
Side of the house. There's
Basically
a red,
the way the
there's a
car
red car there. That red car?
Yeah.
Where that red car is?
Yeah.
Just smash it, zero.
Mm. Did you mind giving this one yet?
Oh, I don't care. No, you owe me.
I know. Now there's no.
Oh, you owe me anyways. Big time.
All those toys you guys got. You guys have enough toys and bones. Hey, your bone now, widows? Okay, good. Go play with your bones. It's a nice new one I got you.
Four planes hijacked on 9/11, but was that the end of it?
I definitely think Flight 23 was the fifth plane.
6
He's asking if you can get the plastic in there too.
Sure.
Really cleaning his paw really good, huh, widows? You just like watching him do that.
Shut the hood when you're done.
Nice and clean now, Dooley. Oh, get out of there. We don't want to see that. Right, widows? We don't want to see all that. We put peanut butter in the middle of the bones and they lick it out. They like to lick the peanut butter out of the middle of the bones after they eat the middles. He's licking some of the peanut butter out. She wants some, but she already had hers. Alright, I'm done recording you guys for now. Say bye to your fans. Say bye. Say bye. Yeah, okay. Bye, everybody. Say bye. Like, subscribe. This is one is just playing with their bones and not doing much, but this is Dooley, and that's Deaner, little girl, Whittles. Have a good one, everybody.